In our last set of videos, we've looked at how to use the z-table to find probabilities that a given value was less than or greater than a certain number. In this final video, or this next video, we're going to take a look at how to do this for a data set that's between two certain values. So this time, same example we've been doing, so if you want more details, you may want to go back and watch the previous couple of videos. But this time we want to figure out what's the percent of days, or the probability, that we upload between 180,000 and 200,000 videos. Well, since these problems all start out the same way, I've gone ahead and already done step one, where you're finding the z-scores. In this case, there's two z-scores to find for the 180,000 and then for the 200,000. So I've done that step already. If you want to pause the video and try that math for yourself and double check me, those are the two z-scores that I've got. I'm going to jump then right to step two, and I'm going to use the z-table to find probabilities. I don't know how this will show up, so you may want to have your z-table at home ready to look these values up. So first up, if I look up the negative 0.03, remember check check the vertical column for your first set of digits. So negative 0.0 was way down there at the bottom, and then look horizontally for the final digit, the 0.03 part. Where those two things intersect then, and again I don't know how well this will turn out on the screen, where those two things intersect then you'll find a value. That's the probability that we're less than the 180,000 videos. So on my screen over here, if you can't see it, it's 0.488. So I'll go ahead and make a note of that back here in my work, 0.4880. Okay, we'll go ahead and do the same thing then with the second z-score, the positive 0.53. So again, taking a look at the z-table, I have to jump here to the positive side of it. We're going to look up the 0.05 down the vertical column, and then the 0.03. I think I said that wrong, but you know what I meant. I'll look that in the horizontal column. Finding then where those two intersect, I see a probability that we're less than 200,000 videos at 0.7019. So again, I'll go back and jot that number down. 0.7019. And so now finally for our last step, we're going to have to adjust the probability. These probabilities are each that you're less than that certain value. So if we're less than 180,000 or if we're less than 200,000, well, if you want to find out the probability that you're between two sets of days, all you got to do is subtract those probabilities as your last step. So 0.7019 minus 0.4880, or if you want to rewrite those as percentages, you could certainly do that right now. So 70.19% minus 48.4% gets us a probability that we upload between 180,000 and 200,000 videos of approximately 21.39%.